Hi, I'm Tom Packer with International Auto, and for today's project we're working on a 1986 Alfa Romeo Spider replacing the trunk carpet set. This is all the tools and supplies you should need to do this job. A couple things you're going to need, some Velcro, some rivets. As you can see, this board is broken, so we're going to cut one out using that one as a pattern. First thing you want to do is remove the trunk gasket. As you can see, we removed the whole trunk lid. You don't have to do that. We just did this for video purposes and to give myself a little more room. The side pieces come off. When you pull the whole piece out, this will have the backing board on it also. The next piece we're going to take out is the rear piece that covers up the tail lamps. There's 3 door panel clips, and then on the other side is the license plate contacts. We're going to take that out with a Phillips head screwdriver. And right here we're going to use a door panel clip tool remover. Work with a little bit back and forth and pry on it to get them to come out. Some of them are going to come out easier than others, of course. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the license plate light contacts. When you lay the new piece out, you have to make sure you feed the contacts through before you start fastening it down. And you can just push the retaining clips through the holes and it'll hold it in place. Use a scratch awl to line up your holes, one at a time, and then just put the screws in and tighten them up with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now we're going to go around to the passenger side, and this is the piece that goes over where the battery is at. What you want to do is lay the vinyl flap over the channel where the trunk gasket is at. And you want to get the seam as close to the top as you can. What you're going to try to do is conceal all of this vinyl with the trunk gasket itself. And once we're done, we're going to go back and cut the excess trim off. Now we'll go around and do the driver's side. Same process. Nothing any different at all. It is shaped different, but the driver's side and passenger side panels are shaped different on the car. And same process, once we're done with the installation, we'll go back and trim that excess vinyl out. We're going to test fit our backing board. On our first trial on this, we used a staple gun. The staples didn't hold, didn't have anything to do with the carpet itself. It was actually the backing board material that we chose. Later on, you'll see at the end of the video, we're going to go back and actually use some adhesive on it. It worked a lot better. We got the backing board installed and we put Velcro down at the bottom. We used some heavy duty Velcro, and you can see where that yellow bar is, it's concealed. This is the floor carpet. This cutout goes towards where the battery is at. Straight sides go in the middle, and this other little curved corner over here is going to go towards the wheel well on the driver's side. There you can see we've got it all installed. When it came to the backing board, we found that the staples weren't holding good enough. We had to go back and use some adhesive, and I think that was based upon the material that we used for the backing board. It might work fine for you. It's going to be a trial and error on your part. We also had to go back and add some Velcro tabs. The Velcro was in the car was worn out. The pieces attached to the car are actually riveted in place. The others are just glued in.